Recently, I've had the urge to build up my physical media collection. Maybe I'm just old-fashioned, but that nostalgia bubble soon burst after my latest Blu-ray purchase. I had to purchase this Blu-ray, which is locked to Region A because it was never released in the UK. Together with my growing collection of region-locked titles, it was the final push I needed to mod my Blu-ray player, the Panasonic UB820. This is a fantastic 4K player and especially good at upscaling content, but the ability to play back all regions would really be the icing on the cake. What I would recommend though is replacing the standard UB820 remote with the remote for the UB9000. I bought a clone for $10, which I've linked below. This has the extra functions and has way more comfortable ergonomics. Unfortunately, none of that helped with the mystical button bashing that apparently unlocks regions. So I bit the bullet and purchased this mod for €59 or about $64 US. That was from Rattlebyte.com and that website is linked below. It was just a case of selecting my player, purchasing the mod and then downloading the firmware and instructions. I also decided to purchase this pre-made connector that plugs into the Rattlebyte board. You don't need to, but it should save some time and effort when soldering. The mod itself is a tiny board that's easy to tuck away inside the player once installed. But installing the board does require some basic soldering skills and invalidating your warranty. So if that's an issue, there are resellers that sell modified players that are region unlocked, which I've linked below. They charge a premium over the usual retail price of the player, but they also offer a warranty. But if you want to do it yourself, there are connections that need to be made from the Rattlebyte board to the UB820. Once that's done, just install the downloaded firmware using a USB memory stick that's formatted to FAT32. So is this mod worth the trouble? Let's install it and find out. "4K Blu-rays aren't region locked, and with the DVDs, region selection is automatic. With non-4K Blu-rays, instead of turning the player on by pressing the operate button, you need to use the 1, 2 or 3 on your remote to select the correct region. So all things considered, this was a pretty painless process. Which means I can finally sit back and enjoy my movies. If you enjoyed the video, check out my channel for more home hacks and tech mods, and I'll see you next time.